Hi guys, so I'm going to be trying a DTF hack. I've tried to just load it by itself in the printer, as I've seen in some tutorials, but that was a fail. I've tried the method where you tape it down, the painter's tape just down the middle of the entire film. It only printed on that one area that had the film on it because that's where it recognized. I don't know how these people are doing it. I'm going to try again on video, and then I'm going to try the way that I've been thinking about it. Is a little bit more steps to it, but I have all this product and I need to use it. So stay tuned while I try just loading it separately from any carrier sheets. I'm going to try just that one strip again of painter's tape going down the middle, and then I'm going to try it how I have it in my head. So we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have my film. You want to print it on the matte side and not the shiny side. You'll be able to tell the difference. I am going to just insert, if I can do it one-handed, because I'm actually holding my phone right now. Okay. So I'm actually going to try just the film like I've seen some people do. I'm going to run and hit print on my laptop and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is just the film. Let's go ahead and hit print. And this, it says to feed it down, but see, it comes right out. Okay, so now I'm going to try to take the painter's tape and just do the one strip going down the middle like I've seen someone do, and it worked out perfectly for them. So I'm going to try that again, and let me put the tape on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I added the tape. It's not as straight, but the goal is to add some weight towards the beginning. Alright, as you see, I added the tape. Just a strip going down, which I've seen someone do in a YouTube tutorial. The object is to get some weight towards the top so that way it can sense there's something in it. And let's go ahead and see how this comes out. I'm going to go ahead and take it to the printer. I'm about to drop my laptop. Okay, so as I walk over here, I am going to load it. Again, trying to use one hand since I have my phone in my other hand. All right, I'm going to hit the print. And all right, so it caught it. And I hear it trying to do something. Let's see what comes out. If y'all have any tried and true DTF hack, please drop that in the comments, because I have about 2 boxes of film and a pack of powder that is just sitting here collecting dust. And I would love to use it, but as you can see, I've been struggling. Okay, and as it's still coming out, I'm going to stop it because I want to save my ink. Since I see that it's not doing the whole page, again, it's just that strip. It's just on a strip of tape. Okay, so now I had a thought. Oh, I guess it's trying to print again. I had a thought process that I want to try. So let me go ahead and go back to my desk, and I'm going to get that set up. That's garbage. All right, y'all. So I'm trying this again. I have my film. I'm going to turn the film over to the shiny side. I'm going to lay it down. All right. So my thought process is, since it recognized the little strip of painter's tape, I'm going to attempt to use, I believe this is 1.5-inch tape. I was trying to find some 3-inch, so that way it wouldn't take me as long to do, or as much tape to use. But I couldn't find it. So I have 1.5-inch painter's tape that I got from Lowe's. And I'm just going to line this entire page up with the painter's tape. I would not suggest to do this if it works. If you have a lot of orders, unless you have the time to do this. There are DTF transfer companies that you can order from, but this is just a once in a blue type of project for me. So I'm going to go ahead and see where the heck this film starts at. Okay. And whatever I need to trim off, I'm just going to trim off. But I believe it starts right there. Okay, so it's going to rip it. And I'm going to do this, and I'm going to line it up going across the entire sheet, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have the entire sheet. Well, there's a little part that's not covered on, and I didn't worry about that because that part is left blank anyway on the image. So that's why I didn't do the extra. Alright, and then I'm going to flip this over, and as you see, there's some overage. And I'm just going to take my handy dandy scissors and trim that off. Okay. Just try not to cut that film. I'm going to do the other side. Trying to see. I didn't set up my overhead for this one because this is just a quick, supposed to be a quick video. Before I actually called it a night. And my scissors don't want to cooperate. Okay. Alright. So, as you see, it's covered. And I'm going to go to my printer. I'm going to make sure it's stuck good. I'm going to go to my printer and let's see if this works, y'all. Alright, let's see if it's going to go, y'all. Let's help probably guide it through. I should have used my right hand. I'm right-handed. Okay. I'm going to have to force feed that because... Okay. Okay, go back. Alright, I'm gonna have to put it down because I can't force feed it. Alright, so that didn't quite work. I'm going to try to feed it again. I'll put that little bit of painter's tape at the bottom to see if that will help. And let's try. Let's see if it's gonna feed it. Okay. It's still coming out, y'all. I don't know why it's not recognizing the doggone sheet. It's about to drive me crazy. So I've tried 3 different ways to get this doggone thing printing, and it's not working. Help me out, y'all. How do y'all do this on a ET Epson 2750? I'm gonna try it again while it's still in. Okay, I'm about to scream.